Axes are versatile tools. Not only do they help you chop down trees and split firewood, they also help you with carving. So if shaping wood is on your agenda, one of the first things you need is a carving axe. But all axes are not suitable for carving. And if you are a beginner, you might have trouble distinguishing between a general purpose axe and a carving axe. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brook's large Swedish carving axe. Developed in collaboration with two Swedish master craftsmen based on old Swedish carving techniques, the Brook is the premium choice when it comes to carving axes. It has a long and curved cutting edge which is double-sided and a broad beveled face that makes it easy to carve wood. You can also customize the axe according to whether you are left-handed or right-handed. The curved design on the heft as well as the weighty head of the axe maximize its carving power. The handle has an excellent grain orientation and provides a good amount of friction, making it easier for you to hold. You can also place a special order with a carved handle for a better grip and precise cuts. This ergonomic handle will aid you in making precise cuts. Number 2. Mapsy Bearded Hatchet. Upon examining the Mapsy Bearded Hatchet, it's evident that it's built for performance. Crafted by a skilled carver, this axe boasts both durability and versatility, capable of slicing through both softwood and hardwood, making it a top choice among seasoned carvers. Meticulously detailed and exceptionally sharp, its carbon magnesium blade ensures resistance to rust, while its lightweight construction offers a sturdy grip. Noteworthy is its dual blade design, featuring one edge for carpentry tasks and an adze blade for crafting bowls and spoons. With a straight handle enhancing its adaptability and durability, it's an all-around reliable carving axe. However, due to its handmade nature and international shipping, expect a longer wait for delivery. Number 3. 1844 Helco Work Germany Traditional Rhineland Pack Axe. Hand-forged in Germany, the 1844 Helco Work is an excellent cutting and carving axe. Lightweight and compact, this tool is easy to use. You can also carry it around in your backpack. As per the smithing traditions of Rhineland, the head is left unpolished after being drop-forged to create a unique and rustic look. This means that no two Helco Work axes will ever look the same. The Helco Work has a grade American hickory handle that is treated with linseed oil and sanded sustainably using 150 grit for a smooth finish. The handle is individually selected for grain orientation and density. It is easy to hold and comfortable to use. The axe head is drop-forged by hand with German C50 carbon steel, which improves the tool's ductility and mechanical properties. Following this, it is heat-treated and hardened by oil for maximum performance. The blade has excellent edge retention and the long, slim flat head is designed specifically to cut across the grain. Apart from carving, it can be used for various other purposes as well. The carving axe comes with a leather sheath as well as an axe guard bottle. Number 4. Beavercraft Carving Axe. Crafted by Beavercraft, this carving axe is an ideal choice, particularly for beginners, boasting an exquisite design and optimal weight distribution, neither too heavy nor too light. Its compact handle facilitates swift carving, treated with linseed oil and featuring a knurled finish for enhanced grip. The blade, meticulously honed to razor sharpness with flat bevels, grants precise control over cuts, forged from carbon steel fortified with silicone and manganese for heightened durability. Despite its lightweight construction, fatigue is minimized during prolonged use. Additionally, the blade is induction hardened and tempered, and a leather sheath is provided for protection. Beyond carving, this versatile hatchet proves handy for splitting, kindling, and camping adventures, all at an exceptionally affordable price point, making it a standout choice in the realm of carving axes. Number 5. Holt's Brook Aka Forester's Premium Outdoor Axe. When it comes to carving, axes with short handles are preferred as they don't slow you down. But axes with long handles can also make great carving tools, and the Holt's Brook Aka is a great example of this. The axe head is hand-forged out of Swedish axe steel and delivers superior quality as well as durability. The steel is struck multiple times to increase the density, so you can be sure that it will last you a long time. The axe head is pre-sharpened, so it is ready to use right out of the box. Even if the edges start losing their sharpness, you can easily use an axe sharpener to get the razor sharpness back. The head also has a tempered zone that holds the sharp edge even after continuous usage. The finger notch as well as the ground edge make it very easy to shape wood. The handle is 24 inches long, made out of American hickory and treated with linseed oil. It has a strong grain and a curve to increase strike surety. There have been complaints about the handle being too rough, but it is nothing a little sanding cannot fix. The carving axe comes with a leather sheath for safe storage. The sheath even has a weld that protects the edge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.